Stay still, I'm gonna be back. Okay, he needs a little hand. And he needs a little brain. Then put in his brain. Perfect. Then he puts his brain back on right there. I'm going to test a lot I can have this Elliot. Oh, good. I'm talking to you. He's a man or a girl?
A girl.
How to leave the bathroom? Oh, cover it back up. And need a little cover. How's the water doing?
You just did surgery on him, right? All doctors need to wash their hands after surgery.
I'll turn off.
Don't instruction. Is the patient better?
Nah. He does have a little blood in there.
Oh, okay.
He has a little elbow stuck to his neck.
Really? Are you going to do surgery on him?
Yeah, it's in his mouth, a little mouth, but I see it, but his mouth is in his throat.
Well, do surgery on him then.
Get him out. See? The brain just come out, but it's Robbie. Is that a girl doctor? In there? I think he needs a little thing. Here's the thing.
Does he need that to stand on?
Yeah.
Okay.